magic touches on there on your dyno?
Probably about 200 on our dyno.
And what do you expect for the BMW S1000 there too?
Tough one.
Tough one.
Not enough.
Not enough.
I'm gonna do my best.
Yeah. 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 Long time ago when the hills fairway, Yamahas and Hondas, me and Beezy all day. But when I lost my brother, I went harder than I ever did. Hogging on that Gixxer, Willie's to the city end. You can't little dog me, cause I'm the big dog. You look hungry, come to Applebee's and watch I serve you raw. Easy go 200 plus on that s1000rr. So you better hope you smaller than me, cause boy, your father look up to me. I'm who your son wanna be. Damn, she wanna ride and learn how to lean. Okay, I pop the clutch, hit the throttle, she gets stiff, I say just give me a squeeze, ease.
Anybody can get the smoke, it don't matter what they on. I said anybody can get the smoke, don't matter.
Ease.
Eazyrydermoto friends and family, welcome back to the channel. We are live and direct right here at Champion Power Sports with Nick's Performance Tuning. We got Derm G up on his 2019 Kawasaki Ninja zx10r, also known as Baba Yaga. This motorcycle is absolutely beautiful with the carbon fiber wheels. We also got a 2013 Motorsport schemed BMW s1000rr coming in. It's a 13 or 14? It's a 13. I thought it was a 14 as well. We got Roadkill in here. We got Mr. Nick's Performance. The man, the myth, the legend, right here in direct, man. We got him coming in. He's gonna do a tuning job on Derm's ZX10 and also that BMW S1000rr. Nick, just in your experience, what do you expect for the ZX10 to put out horsepower-wise when you put your magic touches on there on your dyno?
Probably about 200 on our dyno.
And what do you expect for the BMW S1000 there too?
Tough one.
Tough one.
Not enough.
Not enough.
I'm gonna do my best.
So there you have it, man. We're gonna get some content for you guys, man. This video is going to be part of the Miami series. I would say roughly about 181, 182 on this bike. It is on pump fuel. Yep, it is on pump fuel. This motorcycle here will be on pump, and I believe also Nick is gonna tune this motorcycle on E85 as well. This man knows his work, and he's gonna get a chance to actually go through and dial in these motorcycles. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the Nick's Performance ZX10 will do against the Bryn Tune S1000rr. got Moto Mac TV in the building. We got Roadrunner V4 in the building. We got Moneybags Cam.
Oh, what up, boy?
We got Sean, Mr. No Face in the building. You already know what it is, man. Only on the Eazyrydermoto YouTube channel, man. Race day in the building. Hey, Mac, who you putting your money on between leader and large?
I got leader, baby.
Leader. Okay, all right. Leader, baby. Leader large against Nelson. Nelson is super fast. Leader large is super fast. We are at the race spot.